like learning. I like gaining more knowledge than what I may have, or sharing the knowledge that I have with someone else, and I like to feed off other people. I listen, I help. Someone else has a question, if I don't know the answer, I try to get the answer. I like to have fun in the kitchen, and I like to make it an enjoyable workplace. You may be fixing one part of a meal where the other person is fixing maybe the main ingredient of the meal, and they need to know whether or not, you're done, whether it's ready, or whether they need to slow down, or what the temperature is. It's just, it's really important because there are many different aspects that go into fixing one meal. I like to work with chicken. Okay. You can do so many different things with chicken, and there's so many different meals you can make: soups, main courses, appetizers. Chicken's all over the map, and everybody pretty much eats chicken. You really can't go wrong with chicken. I like fast pace, because when you have a deadline to get to, you work faster, and a lot of times you present your best work because you're in a hurry, and you also want it to look nice. So presentation is also playing in your mind while you're preparing the food. Well, I work at a catering company right now, but I would say graduating right now with a degree in culinary would be my biggest success right now. And showing my son that you can go back to school and get it done. I catered a wedding for 250 people when I was pregnant with my son. I was 8.5 months pregnant, and his grandfather, his dad's father, was getting married, and at the last minute, the whole wedding planning fell apart, and they needed help. I offered to help, and I ended up doing the whole thing. So yeah, but pretty much, yeah, pretty much. Cause I had already said I was gonna work up until the day I had my son, anyway, up until the day I went in labor, cause that's always been me. I've got my work ethic, work. I don't miss unless I have to. The artist who actually has opened up a lot of doors in regards to my internship. I was able to land a nice internship at one of the top catering companies in the city, which is Elegant Fare, and they liked my work enough to hire me on, so that's where I'm at now. But the artist too has opened up a lot of doors and has shown me all different types of cooking, different methods, where food comes from, where it originated, and different dishes and things like that. I like that atmosphere. It's all about what I like to do, and I can breathe in the kitchen without having to worry about someone upset because of a bill, or, oh, this painting doesn't look right. Those aren't things that really interest me. I can draw, but I like to cook. I like to feed people. People need to eat. They're always gonna need to eat. There'll always be a job in food. I think of me painting a picture on a plate and someone picking it up and eating it. SpongeBob and his Krabby Patties. Seriously, he makes the smiley faces, and every patty has love in it. Food is about love. If you don't have love in your food, most times it doesn't taste too good. In order to cook, you have to, I want to say, pretty much love what you do, because you're in a hot kitchen. A hot outfit, a hot uniform all day. So you have to be able to stand it. So it's like, it's a lifestyle. I've always cooked, and when I did the wedding, it made me love it even more. And I was just like, I can do this, It's a business, because, you can venture off and do your own business, or you can go and work with someone. You can make money from cooking. It's an art. Paint a picture on a plate.
That's a wrap.